Hello everyone, welcome to Just One to Discover. This is a new series in which I explain about tissues. In episode 1, I will explain what tissues are and what importance they have to our body. You know, our body is really complicated, and there are so many topics to cover. Even tissues alone can't be explained in one video. Without further ado, let's begin with episode 1. Before we begin, listen closely for the answer to these questions. What are tissues? What importance do they have to our body? If we didn't have tissues, what features would our body be missing? Now that we know those questions, keep them in mind for later. Now, it's time to dive into what a tissue is. A tissue is a collection of cells or fluids that collaborate to carry out a specific function in the body, such as the cells in organs, like the kidney or heart, or blood cells that transport oxygen to and waste products from the body's cells. Tissues can transport cells, protect, absorb, and secrete. But there isn't just one type of tissue, there are 4 major types. And in my next video, I will explain how they function, their importance, and how they heal from injuries. But how do tissues generally heal? Tissues heal through inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. During inflammation, vasodilation increases blood flow and white blood cells clear debris. In proliferation, fibroblasts produce collagen, and angiogenesis forms new blood vessels. Finally, in remodeling, collagen fibers realign for strength. Some tissues regenerate, while others form scar tissue. Healing depends on age, nutrition, and blood supply. To summarize it all, tissues are cell or fluid collections that carry out specific functions in the human body. When injured, tissues heal through 3 phases: inflammation, proliferation, and remodeling. Now to answer the questions. What are tissues? Tissues are collections of cells or fluids that carry specific functions in the human body. What importance do tissues have to our body? Tissues can transport cells, protect parts of our body, absorb and secrete substances. If we didn't have tissues, what features would our body be missing? Our body would be missing the features to transport cells, protect our body, and absorb and secrete certain substances. These features are extremely important to our body and are the reason why tissues exist. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to others. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.